Hey Andrea, Lupita, hello, how are you? Caprina, hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. So for this one, we are going to apply super cute. I love this. Is handcrafted 3D acrylics flowers. It's so stunning, and if you look at that, it's so detailed and it's so real looking. Look at that. You want to do two of them as the same, but also you can get the different ones. So we have several different kinds and then more to come. So I am going to using our condensed glue gels. Will be your crystal bestie or your chain charms and all the accessory centerpiece that you want to. Oh, thinking it, doing it right in the middle of the nails. Should I? I'm gonna try to be brave and to get it in the middle of the nails and see how it's gonna turn out. So I'm gonna do just a good amount, not too much, to get the base of my roses. And on that purple, I am going to using the kind of a white to orange. Move that one away. Oop. Super adorable. Yep, the base looks fabulous. Okay, so I'm going to cure, flash cure it first. Make sure that you are adjusting it exactly the way in the precisions and the the space that you want your 3D handcrafted flowers gonna be, and then you flash cure for 10 seconds. Hey Amelia, how are you? Just keep it flat. And I can't wait to do this one on the next nails. The next nail we're gonna do a blossom gels. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. I'm so excited to have you all here. If you miss this, you can absolutely re-watching them. Hey K Jolie Lee, how are you? All right, so let me see the next ones. We are just gonna adding something. We're gonna add some crystal on. That's all, because we don't want to take it away from fusionings. Also, we don't want to take it away from beautiful backgrounds and the flowers. You can. I'm thinking of doing chains on, but I think it might take away from my fusioning. So you kind of adjusting it, go with the flows. So I'm gonna apply it all on the nail, really thin coat. You do not need to do it like a lot, especially when you're doing a flat back. And I'm gonna floating a top coat. Is no wipe top coat on. However, if you want to do a matte top coat, you can do a matte top coat. Should we do a matte top coat this time?
This one we should do matte.
The matte. Let's see a matte. Hey Jane, how are you? Hi Julie, hello, how are you? Okay, so here's a matte top coat. And this live tutorials will be 2 nails only, so then it's really cool for any of you who really like to learn some cool techniques. And if you're rewatching them, it won't take a long time. Okay, so I'm gonna matte this one. Looks really cute to me already, so I might doing some outlines shortly. So I am using this to kind of get a little bit contrast. My crystal I'm choosing is pumpkin spice. Hold on. Why is Facebook so dark though? Or it's just, is it me?
Yeah, it's just me.
Alright, so I'm gonna do have that big one inside, well, not inside, under of the petals there. Looks super cute. And I'm gonna do another one too for this one. Cool, stunning. And then great. You can add more if you prefer, or you don't want to add any. Absolutely, it's up to you. I'm just add some to make it look cute. I'm gonna adjusting it. Right there. Do we have some beads? Can you grab me some beads there, please? Thank you. If you want to add some beads on, absolutely. Let me see if I can add some beads on. Really didn't want to take away from the best way to do when you place a bead. You can place right between the crystals. That's the best to do. And you can add one crystals, or you can add, you can add one bead, two beads, or three beads. However you prefer, or your clients prefer. And just for your information, if you don't want to add the 3D handcrafted acrylic flowers, you can absolutely just top coat the client's nails and you are good to go. But if the clients want crystal placements, you can follow the step that I was sharing with applying the condensed glue gels and pick your crystal, the colors, shape, or the centerpiece that you prefer. And then you can place your big centerpiece first. And then you can using any of others like charms or smaller flat back crystals. And you can add along with that. There are so many different patterns that you can do crystal placement with. Hey, thank you, Jane. Thank you, Eric. Hope you all have a great day. Are you excited for the virtual trade shows? It's gonna be here before we know it. So I'm just like get a couple more.
Hey Amelia, hey you want to see Nancy do her own nails, it's gonna be every 2-3 weeks or so.
This keeps sticking on. I think I got it good. One more. Great, so if you're happy with this, we are going to wipe slightly on the side and here for 60 seconds.